What's up, y'all? I got an awesome video for you today. I'm gonna show you how to smoke a pork butt on the Weber kettle using the snake method. A lot of people are intimidated by this, but I'm gonna show you a way that's super simple and you'll be doing it in no time. Stay tuned. I'm using B&B charcoal. You can use whatever kind of charcoal you want to. I usually use B&B because it's a flatter profile, just easier to stack. Go ahead and throw your charcoal, just dump it in there. I have my pork butt over here, so I'm gonna have this whole side with the snake method. Take the charcoal and just lay it down. Take another one, lay it right next to it. You don't have to make it fancy, just get it all laid down. We're just trying to get that first set down. Then I'm just gonna lay this other one right up against it. All right, once I got those like I want them, I'm gonna take the other ones and I'm just gonna stack one on top of the two. These pieces, I'm just gonna take them out, put them back in the bag. Once you get it done, it should look like that. Super easy, but there's one more step. You're gonna wanna get some smoking wood chunks, whatever kind of wood you want, hickory, cherry, apple, don't matter. I'm using hickory. The way I like to stage these, just about every 3 inches, put you some wood down. And that's it. All right, for this next step, you're gonna wanna get your chimney. You're gonna wanna take a couple of coals, not many. Put them in your chimney and just let your coals get to burning. Okay, the coals aren't fully burnt through, but we're gonna take them out with a pair of tongs because that's enough to get this thing started. And we're just gonna pile them up around that first set right there. Gotta make sure it stays up though. Just pile them up at the front, you'll be good to go. Now it's time to prep our pork butt. I got a boneless pork butt. If you want to get a bone in, you can. I'm just going to score the fat cap, not using a binder, and I'm going to use 2 seasonings. Use whatever you want to. I'm going with that hot barbecue rub first, then I'm going to hit it with the sweet barbecue rub, both from Heath Riles. I'm going to let that sweat in for a second, flip it over and do the other side. Got the other side seasoned up. Now we're gonna throw it on the Weber. All right, our snake method has gotten a pretty good start on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this pork butt on there, close that lid, and get smoking. All right, y'all, it's been on for about 3 hours. Haven't spritzed it, haven't done anything like that. The next time I open this thing, I'm gonna be wrapping it. All right, y'all, so the pork butt hit 165. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in this really large aluminum tray, wrap it up with some foil, and put it back on. I'm gonna dump a little bit of apple cider vinegar in here with this. Hit it with a little more seasoning. Got it wrapped. We're gonna let it run till it hits 205. Finally got it off. It's about 10:30. It took a while, but let it rest for a little bit, then I'm gonna shred it up. All right, y'all, got it shredded up. Perfect smoke ring, shredded like butter, moist, flavorful. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't be afraid to use the snake method on a pork butt. Super easy. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.